In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly redesign a page on your website without disrupting your live site. This method ensures that your existing visitors experience no interruptions while you work on updating your site's look and feel. Let's dive right into the process. Start by heading over to your Pages panel. This is where all your website pages are listed, and from here, you can manage them easily. Locate the page you want to redesign. Once you find it, hover your cursor over that page. You should see a gear icon appear next to the page name. Click on this gear icon, and from the menu that pops up, select Duplicate. By duplicating the page, you create an identical copy that you can work on without affecting what your visitors currently see. Now, with your duplicated page ready, it's crucial to move it to a safe place where it won't be visible on your live site. Drag this new duplicate into the Not Linked section. This section is like a backstage area for your website where you can test things out without the public eye. Your duplicated page is safely tucked away from your main navigation and won't show up until you're ready. Next, it's time to start editing. Click on your duplicate page and begin making all the design changes you envision. This is your chance to experiment, tweak colors, adjust layouts, and perfect everything to your liking. The beauty of this step is that it allows you full creative freedom without any risk of impacting your live site until you're completely ready. Once you've completed the redesign and are satisfied with your new page, it's time to prepare for the switch. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure there's no confusion or URL conflict when the switch occurs. Go to the original live page and edit its settings. Begin by renaming it, perhaps adding something like old to its title to clearly distinguish it, such as Home Old. Additionally, alter its URL slug to something different, like changing from home to home old. This step ensures there won't be any URL clashes once you swap the pages. Now, go back to your newly redesigned page. You'll need to adjust its URL slug to match the original page's URL, bringing it back to its original form, like home. This way, anyone visiting your site will be directed to the updated version without any hiccups. We're almost finished. If the page you updated was part of your site's main navigation, you'll need to reflect these changes there too. Delete the old page from the navigation and replace it with your newly designed page. This step keeps your site's navigation clean and directs visitors where you intend. Lastly, with everything in place, you can delete the old renamed page entirely. This clears up space and avoids clutter behind the scenes. And there you have it. You've successfully redesigned a page on your site, ensuring a smooth transition for your visitors throughout the process.